amazing facilities, equipment, across Canada and across Ontario. Something that really inspires me is actually our outdoor spaces. We are very fortunate to have campuses that sit on large pieces of land, so we have many natural wetlands, park-like settings, so that our students can really feel like they have a sense of calmness while they're actually also considering their studies and other parts of their student life. We are certainly a student-focused organization where every single student we recognize has different needs, has come here with different circumstances, so we really make sure that we provide student-focused attention and individualized is a unique opportunity. We hear lots of stories of students who struggle financially, and having the ability to help students overcome that, what is sometimes primary and basic need, but it certainly is a barrier, and it can be a really massive barrier for a student who has a dream that they cannot achieve because they don't have the financial support.